Hello, I'm here to demonstrate experiment number 5 of the Unix lab. Here, my register number is UR14CS016. The lab is related to file operations. Here I'm using commands to describe the various file operations being performed. So here few questions are to find the frequency of occurrences of an alphabet and a word in the content of a given file name. So I'm going to create a file and I'm going to write a sample, I'm going to write two lines, like I wrote hi, how are you. So I'm going to write grep a minus o sample dot txt uh, pipeline wc of minus l. So when I do this, I'm going to search for the occurrence of a. So there is only one occurrence of a, so one is being printed. The next question is write a shell script to uh, shell script to and replace a word in a file. So if I have to replace one word with another word, I'll be using a command called sed. So instead s of unix, linux of g sample.txt. So in my sample.txt file, I'm going to replace hi, how are you with I mean the word unix with linux. The next question is write a shell script that will give a person's UID. Tell you how many times that a person is logged on. So this I'm going to use with grep at wc command. So the command is $of pipeline grep UR1 for CS016 pipeline WC of minus L equal logged on dollar times so many times. Okay, the next question is write a shell script that takes a file name as an argument and prints the file information such as inode number, permission, links, and owner ID, and group ID, etc. So here I'm going to enter the file name. Here I'm going to ask if I have to I will read the file if minus f of dollar file, then ls of minus li. So I know number I'm going to print, then the permissions, the links, and all. So here is the output. The file for which all these commands have to be executed is ex5d.sh. So here, see, my read write permissions are given, my file username, the inode number, the permissions, the links, and the owner ID and the group ID. And the next question is I have to print out the name of the corresponding group number and other groups that the person may belong. So this is the output for that question. Next question is write a shell script to test various properties associated with a file, to check if the file exists or readable, writable, executable, ordinary file or directory, and so on. So here I'm going to write a program where I'm going to check if minus r ex5.txt, that is if it is read permission. So file is read, then minus w ex5.txt, then this one, then same if it has to be like executable, minus x ex5.txt, then if it is an ordinary file, minus d ex5.txt, then if it's a file is a directory, then minus f ex5.txt. If it has file size greater than 0, then minus p ex5.txt. So if it is that, it will be printed. So this file, it is not it. So it file has not has no permission to read. It has no permission to write. Cannot be executed. It is not a directory. It is not a file. The file does not exist. It's an ordinary file. That's so these are all the commands. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.